Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock from TMS. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account directly with TMS. This process usually takes about 10 minutes online. Once your account is approved, fund it with an initial deposit, often as little as $100. Then, utilize TMS's research tools to identify stocks that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. After selecting your desired stock, navigate to the trading section within your TMS account. Here, you'll choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price. Finally, enter the precise number of shares you intend to buy and confirm your transaction. Once your order is placed, it's crucial to monitor your investment's performance. TMS provides real-time data and charts to help you track your stock. Consider setting up price alerts to notify you of significant movements. Remember, diversifying your portfolio across different assets can help mitigate risk and improve long-term returns. For more advanced investors, understanding the tax implications of selling stocks is vital. Consult a financial advisor to learn about capital gains and losses. Also, explore advanced trading strategies like options or short selling, but only after thorough research and understanding the associated risks. For further learning, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.